Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Biodex Salt Protect. What is Biodex Salt Protect? The Biodex Salt Protect product is designed to soften and eliminate scale buildup on the salt cell and also pool surfaces below the waterline. If this product is used regularly, then the salt cell will be protected from future buildups. This saltwater product is compatible with all sanitizer types, acids, and many common pool chemicals. Product benefits: protects against scale buildups on salt cells, removes many organic stains, and prolongs the life of the salt cell. Regular use will help make sure that a scale buildup does not return. Usage directions. Step 1. For scale or calcium removal, raise the waterline over the calcium or scale line and pour 1 quart of Salt Protect per 20,000 gallons of water around the perimeter of the pool. Double the dosage for heavy buildup. Turn on the filter and run for 48 to 72 hours. If the scale is still present in the filter, the process can be repeated or it can be cleaned with less effort using Biodex 300 Tile Cleaner, as Salt Protect treatment will have made the scale softer and easier to remove. Step 2. New pool startup. To eliminate plaster dust formation in a new pool or remodeled pool startup, reduces modeling and discoloration on new surfaces, exceptional sequestering of metals, reduces brushing. Add Salt Protect. 1 quart per 20,000 gallons of water. Pour Salt Protect in 1 quart increments as the pool is filling. The 1 quart when salt is added. Booster application for metal problems. Add Aquedex 50 stain off also in 1 quart increments as the pool is filling. Step 3. Existing freshly filled pool. 1 quart treats 20,000 gallons. Pour 1 quart around the perimeter of the pool at startup away from eyes and face. If the calcium hardness is above 250 ppm or iron exceeds 1 ppm, add the 2nd quart of Salt Protect. Wait 24 hours and test pH and adjust if required. Add chlorine per your professional dealer's directions. Your professional dealer or service professional is best equipped to perform water testing. Maintain water pH range between 7.2 to 7.6. Step 4. Existing in-use pool. Spring startup or winterizing. Add 1 quart of Salt Protect per 20,000 gallons of water above per procedure. Follow the above parameters regarding the 2nd quart application. Step 5. Pool water maintenance. Dosage. Add 3 to 4 ounces of salt protection per 20,000 gallons or add 12 of Salt Protect per month. Follow above parameters and correct chlorine residual. Step 6. Spas, hot tubs, aesthetic pools. Dosage. Add 1 ounce of Salt Protect or 500 to 750 gallons of water. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.